Hello, my name's Andrew Renfrey. I'm the sales manager for Banlaw. I've been with Banlaw for 7 years now. We manufacture and design fuel management systems and hardware and software to do with fuel management systems. This is Mr. Shane Downs. He's our new regional BDM manager for America and Latin America.
Thanks. I've spent most of my career in sales, mostly in high tech. I've spent a lot of time working in Latin America, which is what excited me about coming to work at Banlaw. I will be developing the market down in South America. I guess when you're in Australia, that's not really down, but where I'm from. I love the Latin culture. I lived in South America, I lived in Mexico, covered those areas a great deal. And working with the guys when I was going through the interview process for Banlaw, I love the culture. We have fun, it's kind of relaxed, we don't take ourselves too serious, but we're very serious about putting out a good product and taking care of the customer. So customer service is something that really matters.
When people think of Banlaw products, we want them to think quality. Straight, #1, quality.
I second that. It's part of the reason I was excited about coming here, but also customer service, because regardless of your quality, we always have problems. And when the company stands behind, not only do they have good quality products, but if something goes wrong, which inevitably will in this world, we've got great customer service to stand behind it and fix the problems and take care of our customers.